Good morning, students. I am Mrs. S. Ojha. I am going to teach you computer. Before starting my topic, I would like to suggest you you have to watch very carefully all the videos which is uploaded by the school and write all the study material in your copy and do practice of your chapters. Okay, now in your book there is 9 chapter. The first chapter is Microsoft PowerPoint, animation and transition. Okay, before starting I want to explain you what is PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a application software of MS Office which is used to create effective, interactive, professional presentations. Next, animation. Let's see what is animation. See, animation is basically series of images which are moving together. So animation is a simulation of movement displaying graphics, pictures or text. Okay, now you can animate the text, pictures, shapes, smart art, graphics, other objects in your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so next, types of animation. What is types of animation? There is 4 types of animation. First is entrance, second is emphasis, third is exit and fourth one is motion path. Okay, and each of them have different examples, different parts. Like entrance have appear, effect, fade, fly in, fly, float in, split, wipe, shapes, wheel, random, so on. Emphasis have pulse, color, pulse, spin, grow and shrink, darken, lighten and so on. Exit has fade, fly out, float out, split, wipe. Okay, and motion path has different shapes. In these shapes your object will move, whatever you choose. Okay, so an entrance is used to enter the object on a slide. Emphasis is used to when the object is stay or appear on the slide, and exit when the object is leave the slide, then exit effect will use. Motion path, if you want to give any direction movement or any path movement, then you give the motion path effect. Okay, so let's another topic. To apply an animation to an object, select the object or text you want to animate. Select animation, choose an animation. Select effect, option, choose an effect. Manage animation and effect. Let's see, note down also. Okay, so how to give animation in a slide. Let's see. I'm going to close PowerPoint by pressing Alt F4 key. No, Alt F4 again. So now start PowerPoint. How to start PowerPoint? Let's see. Click on the start button, all programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. I have this version in my computer, so that's why I am showing by the Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. So this is the PowerPoint window will appear. Okay, then this is the default slide. Default slide means which is come automatically after opening PowerPoint. Okay, see this one slide is selected. Click to add a slide. There is first title and there is second title. We can add or we can choose any other layout also. Okay, see, I have choose a blank layout. Okay, then we give the any effect. So we can insert any object. There is illustration, pictures, clip art, photos, album, shapes, smart art, others. Anyone we can choose, and like we can choose shapes. Okay, star shape. Okay, drag and drop star. Okay, so this is the star. Select a star. So I'm going to give the animation on that star shape. Clear? Then click on animation tab. Then custom animation. When click on the custom animation, add effect box will appear. Then you can give any effect. Entrance, when the slide is entered on the desktop, then line, check, diamond. Okay, then second effect I'm going to give emphasis, grow and sheen. Third effect, exit, fly out. And if we want to give the motion path, draw custom path. We can draw ourselves any custom path, or here provide some predefined path. So I have choose curve shape. Then this is the curve shape. Okay, so I have given 4 effects. First is entrance, second is emphasis, third is exit, and fourth one motion path. And in motion path we have choose curve shape. Okay, let's play to see the preview. Second one, third one. Okay, so let's start slideshow. You can click on the slideshow button or press F5 key. Okay, so click on the slideshow. All the effects I have given on mouse click, so I have to left click on the screen, then animation will start. See, let's again see. Okay student, you can create your own slide also, like go home tab and click on new, then here it's your homework. Okay, here choose layout. This is blank slide. You can create a picture, insert, clip art, choose, organize, clip, favorites, my collection, office collection. So academics, there is so many clip arts pictures, like we just choose this one, copy, minimize and paste. Okay, this is the picture. Custom animation, again click on the custom animation, add effect, reference, box, okay, emphasis, spin, okay, exit, whatever you want to give the exit, suppose blind diamond, okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, and now and show. Come on the home tab, create new slide, choose this one, type here, tutor, I can copy from the animation, and paste here. It's not, select the text, right click, copy, then paste in presentation. Okay, animation and okay, I take animation to give the effect, like simple plain text. We can give also design templates, click on design tab, okay, then choose, there is no need, computer, shift के साथ and select text, control greater than to increase the size of font. Next, okay, we can give the bold, control B, you can give the animation. Arif is already open. I have given only two effects on both text. Okay, so let's play. Slideshow. Okay, so thank you so much. This is your first chapter. Remaining part of this chapter I will teach in next class.